You know, Miss Joyce, I think Naylor must be ill. I can read his writing.
He is ill, Mr. Bailey.
What?
He's laid up with flu.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that.
And I took that down from his telephone message.
I suppose you think you know quite a lot about astrology now.
I ought to. I found that my fiancé was not spiritually compatible.
What?
In the astrological sense of the word. And rather than cause a complex due to the unsuitability of our signs,
Yes, I don't blame you at all, Miss Joyce. I should have done exactly the same. Now, do you mind taking this down, please? Those born between January the 20th and February the 19th are governed by Aquarius, the water carrier. The coming year will see the children of Aquarius dangerously interested in political movements. And I must warn them that since their sign is also ruled by Saturn and Uranus, those born between January the 21st and February the 19th are fated to loneliness. Not necessarily loneliness physically speaking, but the loneliness of the spirit. This requires consideration in your coming year. The daughters of Aquarius are baffling and reserved as regards their inmost thoughts, and to give a wrong impression to the world at large. And although many of them pose as women of the world, in reality, they are children of nature, happy in the sunshine, far from the crowd. That is their main trouble. One never really knows them. They are exceedingly interested in aviation. But I must point a warning that fools rush in where angels fear to tread. And caution must be exercised where the children of Aquarius take to the air. They are singularly successful in wireless, engineering, and electricity. Whilst journalism has a peculiar attraction for the women born under this sign. Their lucky day is Friday, and their number 4, whilst their color is an opal, yellow or blue. It is surprising the number of women journalists born under this sign, and many of them wear their birthstone, the opal, with happy results. Many of you, through your surroundings, have the feeling of being caged in. And though you may be surrounded by every luxury, and receive invitations galore, you are still at heart envying others the pleasures your own perversity has denied you. This year, you must be particularly careful to guard against fires caused through your own carelessness. The danger of carelessness is always present, but particularly towards the end of the year, I foresee a risk to property through fire. And I must point out that you should be extremely careful for the 13th and 26th of the month. These are danger days for the sons and daughters of Aquarius, who must at all times avoid crying over spilt milk. Now, the next film of this series will deal with those born between, where is it? Oh, yes, February the 20th and March the 21st. And their destiny is governed by Pisces, the fishes. A very interesting year for those born under that sign.